Crew husbandry service providers play a crucial role in supporting the smooth operation of vessels and ensuring the well-being of crew members during their port stays. These service providers are responsible for various aspects of crew management, including travel arrangements, accommodation, medical support, and welfare services. To excel in the dynamic maritime industry, crew husbandry service providers must possess essential competencies that enable them to deliver efficient and seamless services. We will explore the key competencies required for crew husbandry service providers and their importance in enhancing operations. Strong communication and coordination skills. Effective communication and coordination skills are essential for crew husbandry service providers. They must establish and maintain excellent communication channels with various stakeholders, including ship owners, port authorities, travel agents, and medical facilities. Clear and timely communication ensures that all parties are well informed, enabling smooth coordination and efficient service delivery. The ability to adapt to different communication styles and languages is also crucial, especially in international port environments. Service providers should be proactive in addressing any concerns or changes in schedules, ensuring that crew members and ship owners are promptly updated. Extensive port knowledge and local expertise. A comprehensive understanding of ports and their unique dynamics is essential for crew husbandry service providers. Deep knowledge of local regulations, customs procedures, and port infrastructure enables them to navigate intricacies and address potential challenges effectively. Having a network of local contacts is valuable for securing the best services, including accommodation, transportation, and medical support. Local expertise allows service providers to offer tailored solutions and overcome any obstacles that may arise during cruise stays in different ports. Efficient travel planning and management. Efficient travel planning and management are crucial competencies for crew husbandry service providers. They must ensure seamless travel arrangements for crew members, including visa processing, flight bookings, and ground transportation. A strong understanding of international travel regulations and requirements, such as visa restrictions and COVID-19 protocols, is essential in managing crew travel logistics. Service providers should stay updated on changing travel policies and have established relationships with airlines and travel agencies to ensure timely and cost-effective travel arrangements. Proactive medical support and welfare services. Crew members' health and welfare are of utmost importance, and crew husbandry service providers should prioritize these aspects. Competent service providers arrange for medical support, including access to healthcare facilities, emergency medical services, and necessary vaccinations. Managing crew welfare services, such as facilitating shore leave activities, providing access to recreational facilities, and assisting with personal needs, contributes to crew satisfaction and overall well-being. Service providers should be proactive in addressing crew members' concerns and providing support services that promote a positive onboard experience. Strong problem-solving and crisis management skills. The maritime industry is dynamic, and unforeseen challenges can arise. Crew husbandry service providers must demonstrate strong problem-solving and crisis management skills to effectively handle any disruptions or emergencies. The ability to think on their feet, remain calm under pressure, and find practical solutions is crucial in maintaining seamless operations. Service providers should have contingency plans in place to address various scenarios, including port delays, crew member illnesses, or unexpected logistical changes. Crew husbandry service providers play a critical role in supporting the efficient and seamless operation of vessels. The competencies discussed above, including strong communication and coordination skills, extensive port knowledge, efficient travel planning, proactive medical support, and crisis management abilities, are essential for service providers to excel in their roles. By possessing these competencies, crew husbandry service providers enhance overall operations, ensure crew members' well-being, and contribute to the smooth functioning of the maritime industry. Investing in continuous training and staying updated with industry trends and regulations enables service providers to deliver exceptional services and adapt to evolving needs. By choosing PeaceRyde Logistics Limited as your trusted partner for crew husbandry services, you can be rest assured that you are in capable hands. Let PeaceRyde enhance your travel experience and make your journey in Nigeria truly memorable. Peace begins with a smile. Please share the love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.